ready. We gotta make a quick pit stop before we shove off to find that hermity fella.
What do you expect to find around here?
Oh, you can find a lot of things around here, Callie. Maybe even love. Welcome aboard the Dread Yacht, Skylander. You arrived just in time, too. Here's the dealio. First thing we need for our trip is probably the most important thing ever. Now, I get it myself, of course, but because of a misunderstanding, I'm not really allowed to set foot on this island. Hey, it's a long story.
And I'm sure a fascinating one.
So if you could just go pick it up for me, Callie can get going on some minor repairs, which I'll oversee.
These walls don't appear to be fortified. A bomb should do the trick. Using the Skylander of a particular element in areas that match will give them more power and experience. Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
Lancemaster.
Awesome! Now it's finally a road trip! Boom!
Seriously? This is what we came here to get?
You are right, Callie. Let's get serious. Look, our engine is currently just a family of raccoons. And that's probably not a good thing, right? Luckily, I know a guy who can sell us a real one.
Wait, up until now, this ship has been running solely on raccoon power?
Angry raccoon power, to be exact. In fact, better not tell the little critters they're being replaced. They won't like that.
Bark Demon.
Skylander.
Blinded by the light.
Of the earth element are stronger in this zone. Locked doors will require the use of a key.
Leave me alone, I say.
Shining through.
Level up.
Thanks for helping me back there. This town used to be such a nice place to hang out. Forge paintings, whatever. Anyway, you can always seek refuge in houses like this. And you're welcome to whatever goodies you find, I say.
Precious. Make way.
Throw Archer.
Got the edge.
Skylanders of the life element are strong.
Be afraid of the dark!
Zone. While standing around and waiting for more chompies to come eat you is generally dangerous, there are those who enjoy dropping into special chompy pits over and over again. There must be some kind of reward down there. Or perhaps all of these people are just insane.
Unstoppable!
I understand that you're in the market for an engine. That's normally quite expensive. However, I will give it to you for 1 gold coin, provided I can accompany you on your ship. Do we have a deal? Excellent. Let's have a look, shall we? Again, the engine is pretty much free, but I have other fine items available too.
My power has grown! Now that's a treetop! right! You're selling us this engine for 1 gold coin?
Indeed. And if you wish to purchase more high-quality merchandise, please come visit my store, which I shall be setting up on this very ship, per my agreement with the Skylander.
What? You're putting who in the what now?
Okay, so we've got music and this engine. What's next?
I think our navigation system might be broken. It says we're smack dab in the middle of the chocolate ocean right now. That can't be right, can it? So if we're gonna find that hermit, we might want to replace it. Good news is the evil Dro have just the thing. The compass of ultimate finding. Bad news is they also worship it, and it's well guarded. Oh yeah, you know, that reminds me. Turns out that fairy, Persephone, stowed away on my ship. Strange girl, really. Anywho, she was asking all kinds of questions about you, and frankly, I couldn't understand a word. So why don't you just head through that door and see if you can make heads or tails out of what she's saying?
Hello, Extremely. It is a great party to dance with Skylanders again, especially now that I have learned to speak your language much better. I am also here to grant you amazing upgrades. I can convert gold into magic, and that magic into new and enhanced abilities for you and all Skylanders.
Tremendous! Wretched out! Nice!
Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade?
Big time!
Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade? Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade?
Tremendous!
Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade?
Tremendous!
Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade?
Big time! Sweet!
forgot to tell you something. This is a winged sapphire. When you collect these, I can create those upgrades for you with less gold. It's like a discount.
Level up.
Deal with the wheel!
Wow, that went way better than when I tried it.
Wait, you went after this compass before?
What? Like I told you, it was a long story. Point is, it's ours now, so I say we set course for the chocolate ocean.
Flynn, we've got a hermit to find, remember? It's time we get this little road trip on the road. Shall we weigh anchor, Captain?
Boom! Well, it looks like it'll be a little while yet before we get to our destination. I sure hope whatever this hermit saw is worth all the hubbub. Meanwhile, why don't you make yourself at home and explore the ship some?
Just wanted to thank you again. I believe that our partnership will be mutually beneficial. Speaking of which, follow me and I will show you where I've set up shop.
This ancient device is the Luckatron. You can use it to increase your chances for rewards by feeding it lucky wheels, which are scattered throughout Skylanders.
Hey, looks like you might have found something. Go over to the Visiagram and press the action button to attach it to the ship.
Slice and dice.
Fruit punch.
Hawk and oar.
Light core.
Welcome to the grand opening of Oryx's little shop of oddities, curios, and assorted bric-a-brac in its new location. Is there anything I can interest you in? Excellent. Let's just see what items I have for you today.
All fired up.
Well, hello, hello. Care to do a little shopping? Excellent. Let's just see what items I have for you today.
Hawk and oar. Soaring to new heights. This is a fantastic look for me.
If you're looking for a way to sharpen your skills while we're heading to our next location, I've got just the thing. Heroic challenges. They're tough, but that's so that they can make you tougher. Want to give one a try? No problem. Just stop by any time when you're ready to test yourself.
Alrighty, looks like we've just about arrived at our destination. You ready to go find this hermit fella? Alrighty then. Of course, we're gonna need to take that dinghy to get down to the surface. It's a tight fit, but we're all friends here, right?